Good morning, tutor and classmates. I chose the metaphor of my classmates, Vicky Rocío Montalegre, and something that caught my attention because her metaphor is escape and thy life is like a play where people in the have their own role to play the show and make the most of their and uh, all time of staying ahead of time for them to come out. And my opinion uh, is your already that each person shows the role they want to play in their life. And my opinion for the history uh, that you add good and one she tells you is true. All of you tries your role goal in your life, and it's very important for me because only I give importance to um, my life and I can achieve what I want. And regarding the use of the past tenses, sentences, grammatical and rules, is it was okay. And three pieces of the evidence to your partner with experience. I think it's a very good experience. And mm, I go to your rotation and achieve your goals with the wins and the lessons and like you thought the experience of your partner put in the in into parties and to lesson for kept in the mid every day. And three, keep going. I think very important your metaphor and your experience. It's so good, very, very good. Thank you.